Hi there, this is Shama here, and I wanted to invite you for a half-day workshop which is upcoming in Parramatta. And before we get there, I wanted to check in with few questions if this is right for you. How are you feeling about this next 2 quarters coming? As of course, this is a question for business owners because our financial year starts from July 2019 to June to 2020. So really, this is a mid half year, and that's the workshop topic is half year review of 2019 and half year planning for 2020. So I wanted to check in with you. How are you feeling certain about your next 2 quarters? If not, then how are you feeling about your last 2 quarters? Are you feeling disappointed about how it started and how far you have come? Or now this is the time for you to draw a line in the sand and make that solid plan for the next 2 quarters, really recovering our learnings and ensuring the proper marketing and sales strategies for our next 2 quarters. So this is the invitation for you. If you have not done that planning yet, we are already going to get over the first month of the quarter, third quarter soon. So this is the invite for you to get in the room with the like-minded professionals. And yeah, we are going to get the 3RE session done. The first is re-examine your last 2 quarters, and of course we are going to compare with your past year also. Then we are going to reset, because we need to reset. If something has not worked till now, we must change, we must incorporate new ways. So we are going to reset our vision, mission, structure, those action plan, and then what skills are required to really reflect what are the gaps. And of course, the third RE session is the refocus. So once we reset, our focus needs to be clear, and we need to refocus what we are going to stop doing, what we are going to start doing, and what we are going to continue doing. And that's kind of a supersonic half-day workshop we are going to have. So who am I? If we have not met yet, I'm Shama. I'm a sales strategist and a property strategist. So I help businesses, small service businesses, to double their sales and especially incorporate those new marketing strategies online and offline to accelerate sales conversion. Because either you are struggling to get leads consistently, or you are not able to convert, and there's this gap and there's a leakage currently happening in your current marketing and your strategies, mindset strategies, which is not giving you that momentum, propel in your results, and that satisfaction, fulfillment which you are seeking to derive from this vehicle called business. So I can't wait to meet you. Get in the room. We are going to have we are going to have fun. We are going to have focus strategy. We are going to have a real honest conversation, looking at our past year and how we are going to draw that line in the sand. So if this resonates with you, click the link below, find out more information, and get your workshop ticket today and now, because yes, time is running. See you then.